Introduction to Programming Language. Why do we need language? To communicate with hardware, we need languages. As we know that, computer understands only binary language, that is, 0 and 1. To communicate with hardware, users need to type instructions in binary language, that is, 0 and 1. But it is difficult for users to type all the instructions or information in the form of 0 and 1 only. To solve this problem, we designed or developed various programming languages such as C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, and so on. How programming languages communicate with hardware. All programming languages, including Python, have language translators. These translators convert the code into binary language. After converting into binary language, we, as users, are able to communicate with hardware. It is clear that we need various programming languages to communicate with hardware or to perform various tasks or work on the computer. Programming language. Programming language is a set or group of instructions which is given to the CPU or computer to communicate with hardware or to perform various tasks by the CPU or computer with predefined rules of that language, which is called syntax. For example, English language has different rules of speaking and writing. Hindi language has different rules of speaking and writing, and Punjabi language has different rules of speaking and writing, etc. Similarly, in computer, there are various programming languages, each with its own rules called syntax. So, what is Python? Well, Python is a high-level, object-oriented programming language. It's dynamic, meaning it can change size at runtime, and it's multi-purpose. You can use Python in various fields such as web development, data science, AI, machine learning, robotics, deep learning, and even UI development. Oh, and it's an interpreted language too. The history of Python is quite fascinating. Guido van Rossum developed the Python programming language in 1991. It's named after the BBC show Monty Python's Flying Circus. Python programming was developed at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. It is derived from various other programming languages such as C, C++, and Unix. The first version, Python 1.0, was released in November 1994. It is now maintained by a core team under the guidance of Guido van Rossum at the Institute. Python 3.12.4 is the latest version of Python. Let's talk about the features of Python. It is easy to learn. It is freely available. It is easily readable. It is an open source language. It maintains memory management, which is dynamic in size. It is machine independent. It has a large standard library, which is why it is used in various fields. It has straightforward syntax. It is case sensitive, meaning capital and small letters are different. It is a multi-paradigm programming language, supporting both object-oriented programming and functions. It has an emphasis on code readability, maintaining margin in writing code. It can be used as a scripting language and is capable of compiling bytecode. Now, let's discuss the scope of Python. It is used in web applications, desktop GUI applications, console-based applications, software development, scientific and numeric computations, business applications, audio or video-based applications, three-dimensional CAD applications, enterprise applications, and image processing applications. Finally, let's look at the benefits of Python. It is widely used in deep learning, machine learning, predictive analysis, advanced analytics, academic scientific research, exploration and data analysis, data science, and statistics.